In the early 19th century, Europe was in the throes of a cultural revolution. The Age of Enlightenment had passed, giving way to a new era defined by emotion, imagination, and a strong desire for individual freedom. This was the Romantic Age, a literary movement that would redefine the way people perceived the world. The Romantic movement, born in the heart of England, was a reaction against the rigid rules and conventions of the previous era. Authors, poets, and artists began to yearn for something more profound, more passionate, more human. They sought to express the inner workings of the soul, the power of nature, and the beauty of the unknown. One man who embodied this spirit was William Wordsworth, a poet whose works like I Wandered Lonely as a Cloud and Tintern Abbey captured the essence of the romantic ideal. His poetry was a celebration of the natural world and the emotions it inspired, a stark contrast to the rational, ordered verses of the past. Another key figure in the Romantic movement was Lord Byron, a man of passion and intrigue. His works, such as Don Juan and Childe Harold's Pilgrimage, were filled with adventure, love, and melancholy. Byron's poetry was a testament to the romantic love of the exotic and the unknown, a love that drove many of his characters to seek adventure and self-discovery. Meanwhile, in Germany, a group of writers known as the Romanticists were also making waves. Their works, such as Johann Wolfgang von Goethe's The Sorrows of Young Werther and Friedrich Schiller's The Robbers, were filled with intense emotion and a deep understanding of human nature. These German romantics, like their English counterparts, sought to explore the depths of the human soul and the power of the imagination. The Romantic movement was not without controversy. Critics accused the Romantics of being overly emotional, overly sentimental, and even dangerous. They argued that the Romantics were encouraging rebellion and anarchy, that they were undermining the very foundations of society. But the Romantics did not care. They continued to push the boundaries of what was acceptable, to challenge the status quo, and to inspire a new generation of writers and artists. The Romantic movement would have a lasting impact on literature, art, and culture, shaping the way we perceive the world to this day. In the end, the Romantic movement was more than just a literary movement. It was a revolution, a call to arms for artists and writers to express themselves freely, to explore the depths of the human soul, and to challenge the conventions of the past. The Romantics may have been criticized, but they left an indelible mark on history, and their works continue to inspire and captivate readers to this day.